Okay, guys. I don't ever remember me ever saying I'm going to show my face, but I am going to do a knot video. Fishing knot video. Now, I might have to get another hook out, but you know what? I'm just going to use it on a paper clip. Alright, now, if you want to do knots, you do this. Come through. Like this. You guys don't really have to do this with a paper clip. I'm just doing this so I don't ruin one of my hooks. You twist around 4 times. You have that knot tie through. Pull. And if you guys do not like spit, stop watching now. You get all lubricated. Pull. If you can't pull it anymore, no. If it comes out to be like all jagged, like, that's the person who made it's fault. Now see, like this, it's all tight. So probably if I hooked it up to something, it would probably bend. Now we're gonna actually try to do it on the hook if I can clean it out. Well,